The world of investing is changing. And it's happening right now. Millennials are taking over the investing game. And their approach is revolutionizing the way we think about money, wealth, and financial freedom. First and foremost, millennials are digitally native. They've grown up with smartphones and the internet. They're using that technological savvy to change how investing is done. Millennials are becoming DIY investors, using online platforms and apps to manage their portfolios on their own terms. From robo-advisors to self-managed trading apps like Robinhood, Wealthfront, and Acorns, millennials are taking charge of their financial futures. They're using the power of technology to make smarter, quicker, and more independent investment decisions. Millennials are purpose-driven investors. They care about where their money goes, and they're using their investments to drive social change. Environmental, social, and governance, investing is on the rise. With millennials leading the charge, they're actively seeking out companies that align with their values. Whether it's eco-friendly businesses, socially responsible corporations, or companies with diverse and inclusive leadership, millennials aren't just looking for financial returns. They want investments that reflect their beliefs. Millennials have embraced Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets as the future of finance. They're betting on the future, with digital currencies and blockchain technology leading the way. For millennials, crypto isn't just an asset. It's a movement towards financial decentralization. Another big shift is the rise of crowdfunding and peer-to-peer investing. Millennials are using platforms like Kickstarter, GoFundMe, and equity crowdfunding sites to invest in early-stage companies. This democratizes access to innovative startups. Millennials are known for their focus on low-cost, high-flexibility investing. With apps like Robinhood, Stash, and M1 Finance, millennials have access to commission-free trading. This means that anyone can get started with investing without worrying about hefty fees eating away at their profits. Online communities like Reddit, Discord, and Twitter have become hubs for young investors to discuss stocks. These communities empower millennials to share tips and create viral investing trends. So, how can you get involved in this wave of investing? Start small with apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash to begin investing with just a few dollars. Explore ESG investments. Companies that align with your values are a growing market. Dive into cryptocurrency. Research the space. And start with smaller investments. Get involved in crowdfunding and peer-to-peer investments. Millennials are changing the face of investing. Take action today and start building your wealth with the tools of tomorrow.